Hi Taurians, this is your career reading for the month of July. I am going to look at the energies that are going to be around you, that are going to come to you and affect you in your money making endeavors, your stabilizing endeavors, your studies, your asset making endeavors, finances. So I will be talking about all these things which create your life, your atmosphere and your money earning capacities. I will be talking about these energies which will affect you, good or bad, whatever it is. I'll be talking about that. Before that, there is an overall card from the Psychic Oracle deck. I will be giving you one message from there. It is saying that you are going towards firm foundation. Firm foundation for you, number 4 card. So, firm foundation means this card denotes that you have already or are currently working towards establishing a solid foundation in the material world, using good judgment and heeding lessons from the past concerning financial matters, and it will assist you in laying a firm groundwork. By doing so, you will secure your future and there is a chance of building it into a better situation. The material power that's now around you can either be an advantage or a disadvantage depending on how you respond to it. Don't let your current position determine who you are. Remember to give back and prime the pump of prosperity. For true spiritual and material wealth is as much about giving as it is for receiving. So give if you can, because that is going to pump up your prosperity. Seek proper investment advice and realize that you don't have to hold on to things, your possessions, very tightly. Just to be flexible and allow things to, you have to be flexible and allow things to continue to flow. So don't try to cling on to things which you have made, which you have in your possession, because angels are saying that if you let it go, if you let it go, it will flow towards you. So that's what I am seeing. Even in the tarot cards, I am seeing that the crowning energy is 5 of Pentacles and 4 of Pentacles. This means 4 of Pentacles means clinging on to your resources very fiercely, clinging on to the things very fiercely. That is, trying to maintain a status quo, not taking any risk, not going towards anything which can take away things from you, take away your possessions from you. And it is coming in because of the 5 of Pentacles. 5 of Pentacles means that you are feeling lack, you are feeling a sense of misery, you are miserable, you feel abandoned, you feel ignored, you feel this in your organization, or you are into a transfer or a posting wherein you feel that you have been sidelined from the mainstream. So there is this situation. However, the fear of loss is making you to cling on to your resources. But when I see the other cards here, this shows me that lot of changes are coming in the month of July. So the crowning energy which you are feeling right now of loss, of fear of loss, and trying to maintain your balance somehow, this is going to change. So what is coming to you, and this situation is also developing into a situation of nightmares. You are getting nightmares, you are getting anxiety, you are full of this worry, this anxiety, depression and worry. Stress is all over you because you feel that something is, you are going to lose something. So this is happening because there is 7 of Swords, which means that lot of things are hidden from you. Something is going on behind your back, someone has betrayed you, someone is doing something behind your back, you think that. So maybe it is the reality, maybe it is happening. So you are feeling this, you are feeling this nightmarish energy, you are keeping awake at night and wondering what to do next. So you are facing some trials and tribulations in your livelihood, in your career situation, in your money situation, in your studies, or something which is your purpose in life is getting affected because of some betrayal, or because of a situation around you which is asking you to smarten up, be alert and watch your back. So you are trying to cling on to your resources. So some process is happening, maybe there is a distribution of property happening in your family, maybe there is a situation in your job wherein you are sidelined, wherein things are happening, announcements are done and you don't know much about it. So you are feeling this energy, but you know what's coming to you? The sun will shine on you, the illumination will happen, all the secrets will be revealed in due course in this month of July, and an inspiration will crop up for you, a small travel will open up situations for you. You will be able to recover from the deception, recover from the anxiety, recover from the stress that you are feeling, because the sun will shine on you. Health and healthy situation in your job will happen. This can also mean that some of you are going through a problem of your health, so this health will recover. So it will not affect your career situation. These are ups and downs in our lives which keep happening, but the situation of recovery is coming to you. The sun will shine on you, the joy will happen for you, happiness will come to you, name, fame, recognition can come to you. That is what I am seeing. So beautiful energies will crop up in this month of July. I am seeing that the magician and the fool is coming in your work situation. Magician and fool says that you will land up into a cushy job, you will land up into a work situation which you always dreamed of, and you will be in this situation of fructifying your dreams. Initiatives will be taken by you, initiative to leap forth, initiative to take that leap of faith will come to you, because the magician is coming. Magician is this execution energy which fructifies dreams, which manifests, which communicates, which gives propulsion to your career situation. So something miraculous will happen. You will be in a however, you will be in a careless kind of mode, you will be in a casual mode, you will keep on working like you do, but the situations will fall in place for you, things will start happening for you, and you will see how the universe is supporting you in your leap of faiths. So the leaps will happen, the forward progression will happen in your career situation in the month of July, and miraculously things will start happening for you. So the outcome energy here is the Six of Wands. This is victory in situations. So obstacles of your path, the path of obstacles which you were facing right now, the Seven of Swords, this is currently and now, this situation will change into victory as the outcome. So you will be able to control the situation of negativity, control the situation of things that were troubling you, the obstacles or blocks which were coming on your path, and you will be recognized, you will be the leader of the pack, and you will be going forward on a march towards your victory. That is what I am seeing. Angels are saying that the world and wheel is happening for you, everything falling in place, everything will fall in place. The exact situation that you were in at a point in your life, at some point of time when you were successful, will be repeated again. So some mission will be accomplished, you will be able to travel abroad, go to a certain country, change your location. You wouldn't know much about it, but you know that success will come to you. You will be able to, you will be thrown in a new situation, you will be thrown in a new situation, and you will see new set of people, new set of work, new set of everything. So life will change, and it will come full circle for some of you with the wheel of fortune. This says that good or bad, whatever it is, you will be riding on this wheel, and the world with it is saying that something positive is going to turn for you, something positive. The karma of good work will bear fruits now. You will be able to see that your world is expanding and you are feeling on top of the world. So very very good energy is coming in your livelihood sector. For some of you this means promotion, new job, new study situation, admission into a new university, admission in a new organization, getting associated with big organizations, getting associated with successful partners. Business will take a leap. Business will take a leap and the sun will shine on you. Joy and happiness and victory will come to you. So very very good situation for you, my dear Taurians. So work hard for it. Even if you are right now, you cannot see what is coming to you, you cannot know what is coming to you, and you are feeling that deception, you are feeling that worry, it is because things are going to change, but it is not changing for bad things, it is changing for good situation for you. So it will come to you. So don't worry and keep working hard, do what you have to do, and enjoy this month and have no fear. This will, all the good things will happen for you. So if you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If you have personal problems, career problems, you can contact me through the comment box for a private personal session, for better understanding of your situation. These are paid readings, these are paid sessions. So I give it online to people all over the world. We contact and we talk on video calls, and I do their tarot spreads and tell them what to do next. So these kind of readings are available. You can contact me, have access to me. So leave in a request in the comment box. I will tell you how to book these readings. So enjoy. Bye bye.